day 18 of Vlogmas. Welcome. It's actually December 17th. I think that's right. I don't even know. It's after 10 o'clock right now, just after 10 o'clock. We're running a little bit behind this morning. We were out late with friends. It was very nice. I haven't even gotten yesterday's vlog edited or up. Hoping that's part of my plans today to get that done. I also need to finish, well, not finish, I need to work on some of the gifts we were working on yesterday. You can go check out yesterday's, is it there? Yesterday's Vlogmas to see what I'm talking about. There's a little sneak peek in there. And yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna work on those, editing the vlog. I am still in my pajamas. Like I said, running slow, got up, and while I was doing my morning pages, I was like, ooh, French toast sounds good. So we just finished breakfast, and that was exactly what I needed. So it was some French toast and a banana, and I'm all for it. So I'm gonna open my advents real quick. I think I'm gonna have to go get my notebook to tell you what I sent to Nina for today, because I can't remember. Yeah, I'm at a loss. So let me open these and we'll get to that in just a minute. So like I said, it is December 17th, I think. If I can find, okay, 17. Oh, it's another round one. So 17 is right here and it's circular. So that's interesting, because last time it was a little, what was it, day 8 was circular, and it was a little panel. And oh, it's another one. It is another 2-inch round canvas panel. So now I have 2 of them. I said originally that I was going to do some, like, make an ornament out of the other one. So now I can make 2 ornaments out of it. Cool, cool, cool. I think it's exactly the same as the other one. Awesome. I didn't mean to do that loud, so that's awesome. All right, and then I have what Nina sent me for day 17. And it's got, she sent me another tag that had this, y'all, it's the weirdest. It's like, you see like tubes, but it's ribbon and it's stretchy and it's so cool. I've never seen a ribbon like that. So let's see. Oh, there's a note on the back of this one. Don't know if I should read it or not. I'm gonna look just real quick. Oh, it says passing it on. So that means it is an overstock or something from her stash. And I'm gonna tell you, it looks and feels like it's a book. So let's see what she has said. It is, oh, maybe it's not a book. Funny. It's several canvas panels. It's a canvas panel day. It looks like she has sent me 4. These look like they're 8 by 10-ish. Does it say on here? Does it say on the other side? No, but 8 by 10 maybe? Seems about right. That's fun. Something to play on. And I've got a big one and a little one. All right, that is, yeah, that's fun. So I will, I'm gonna go look real quick and see what I sent Nina today and tell you all about that. And then I'm gonna go fetch the stuff from the shop so I can start gluing for those projects and editing the video and all of that fun stuff. Happy Saturday. Sunday, it's Sunday. I know what day it is, I promise. Okay, so I have my list here, and what I sent Nina was also an overstock from my stash, and it's some slides, so like projector slides. I have a fairly nice big haul that I got, and so I thought it would be fun to send her some to see how she would work with them. I've got a few ideas for mine. I just have to get to it. So, okay. I'm gonna go get that stuff out of the shop and get it in here and work on stuff, yeah, before the day gets away from me. I was just happily working away on these projects along with getting that video from yesterday ready. Let me turn this light off. I need that light. And it hit me, I'm supposed to put a roast in the crock pot. So dinner's maybe a little late today because I like to do it nice and long and slow. So it's 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 2:30, 3:40, 5:30. at least 6:30 before we eat. But if we eat lunch, we eat breakfast late, we eat lunch late, maybe have dinner late. That sounds like a plan. What I am making, I used to do the pot roast that was, you throw the pot roast in the crock pot with some potatoes and carrots and onion soup mix, and that was it. Then I think my sister-in-law mentioned that she does a Mississippi pot roast chicken. And I was like, what do you mean by that? Which is, it's the pot roast. I'm going to sear it with some butter real quick on both sides, throw it in the crock pot, top it with the onion soup mix, ranch dressing mix. I have my own like homemade ranch mix. I don't buy the stuff at the store. Oh gosh, I never remember what they're called. I'll pull them out. There's like peppadillas or something. Where are they? Pepperoncinis. Here. These things. So some of those, a little bit of the juice of that, and a stick of butter. I'll go ahead and get that out as well. Yeah, a whole stick of butter. And you just put that in the crock pot for 6 to 8 hours on low. I think, what's the other option? 4 to 6 on high. I prefer the low because it makes the meat more tender. So that is dinner tonight. I will also make, what was I going to make with it? I was going to roast some potatoes and have some peas, I think was the plan for this evening. So super simple dinner. I love crock pot dinners. And, oh, this pan's getting hot. So I'm gonna sear my roast and get it going and then get back to gluing before we have lunch here in a little bit. Hey y'all, it's just after 2 o'clock. We just finished lunch with just some leftover of that tomato soup and grilled cheese sandwiches. Easy lunch. So we'll definitely be hungry. I may take some granola bars with us. We are going to go on a bike ride. So I guess I asked Pat what he wanted to do. He's been working on the cabinet stuff for a while. I think he's at a stopping point where he needs to get more wood or something. And so I asked him what he wanted to do this afternoon, if he wanted to go play disc golf, and he said no, he wanted to go for a bike ride. So he, I think, has gone out to load the bikes up. I'm getting my shoes and socks on, putting a little bit warmer clothes. It's 61 degrees, but it's like a chilly 61. So I'm layering up. I think we're going down by the water, so it's always breezier and cooler there. So I've got hat and gloves and a thin jacket, and I put a sweater over my dress. And what I'm wearing is just it's one of my favorite things, y'all. They sold them at Walmart. They're like layered t-shirt dresses with pockets, and I like to just wear them with leggings, and it's the most comfortable thing because there's pockets. So anyway, I'm wearing that, and it's not a super long dress, so it'll be fine on the bike. I just don't feel like changing into a bunch of other stuff. I have got all but one of the Christmas present things I've been working on done, which has been a productive morning. Oh, and I need to go see if yesterday's vlog has uploaded yet. So I'm going to check that real quick before we head out. Like I said, I'm just getting my shoes on, and I think what else. I'm hoping if we get back in time before I need to do dinner, to maybe do a Care December. Yeah, so that'll be good if I can get that. What did I say I was making? I've got roast potatoes, so maybe I could work on that while I'm roasting potatoes even. Yeah, so it should be a good afternoon. It's not as dreary as it was this morning. I can see some blue sky outside, so yeah, it'll be nice. that was fun. I don't know what footage I'm gonna share with y'all, but yeah, we had a nice time. I'm cold, I'm freezing. Part of that's probably the frozen coffee we stopped at the coffee loft and got. We hardly ever go there, but it seemed like a good day for it. I probably should have gotten a warm drink instead of a cold one, but I love their frozen drinks. So yeah, and I got all kinds of footage of Bay, of a weird house along the path, just, yeah, all kinds of things. There was a hawk that was low in a tree when we first got there, and then a really big pine tree, but it was covered in vines, which I think were probably wisteria, because those things will take over. And I saw a monarch butterfly, and yeah, just a really good afternoon. So we're home. Pat's got the bikes unloaded, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and watch my Care December and maybe get that going. It's just now 5 o'clock, so I've got at least 45 minutes before I want to start the potatoes for dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna give myself that little bit of time and do some art, and then I think while I'm doing dinner, I will start working on this vlog so that it is not late like today's was. Like yesterday's was. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna go watch my video. And this may be it for the day. I don't know if I'll have anything else to share with y'all after I start doing this. So I hope you have enjoyed today's Sunday's adventures. It was limited, you know, working on some Christmas presents and a bike ride that y'all got bits and pieces of, but that's, you know, it's December and it was nice to get out on a pretty day. It's only like 57 degrees. It's not that cold, but I'm freezing. I feel like it's December. So, all right, I'm gonna get to playing with my Blue Edition Care December journal. Oh, what pages are you?